Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic and it's glad to have you guys back on this channel. This is the phase 2 of 10 of our free airdrop distribution to our lovely community. So over here guys, on this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to earn some more than 2,500 BTTC into your Binance account without having to make any single investment. So you might be wondering, why are we giving out this coin to our community? We are actually giving out this coin to our community in celebration of our 5,000 subscribers that we just hit on our Telegram channel and also right here on our YouTube channel. If you check out very well down below, you can see that we are about to hit about 6,000 subscribers right here on this channel. So we are really growing very fast, and in appreciation for that, we have decided to give out BTTC token to our lovely community to appreciate them for the help on our growth right here on this channel. So watch out for this video because we are going to be giving out the third phase, the fourth phase, the fifth phase, and still the 10th phase of this giveaway. So right here we are making the video for the second phase of our distribution of free BTC coin to our subscribers and to our lovely community out there. So if you're here to join us, kindly do well to join us on this channel by coming over here to the subscription button. And what you need to do right now is simply you are going to be seeing this subscription button right here. So if you want to join us right here on this channel that we discuss how to make money for free on the crypto space without any single investment, what you got to do right now to join us is simply go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In that way you have automatically queued up for the goodies that are coming to this channel, and also you go ahead and click on the bell icon and select all so that YouTube will send you notification immediately we post any new video. After that guys, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up like this, then you share this video to any social media platform of your choice, and you also go ahead to share with your family and friends so that we also join us right here to earn a whole lot of money in the crypto space without any investment over it. So finally, you come over here to the comment section, you put a very nice and interesting comment right there because we do give out free BNB to our lovely community. And if you want to join us on the free BNB, you go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and also go ahead and put a meaningful comment right here on the comment section. Also, we have a Telegram channel where we publish a whole lot of information that's going to help you make money for free in the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So if you want to join us right here, the link will be on the video description down below. Just go ahead right there to join our Telegram channel. This is where we do give out a lot of awesome opportunity that's going to help you make a whole lot of money in the crypto space. So right now, let's go back to Binance and talk about how we can be able to earn ourselves this free BTTC coin right into your Binance account without any investment. So actually, the way we give back to our community is that we create a code that you can use right here on your Binance account to redeem free BTTC coin. All right, so this means that we are going to give you a code that you can use on your Binance account, and when you input the code on your Binance account right here, you are going to be given free BTC coin. And if you want to do it, what you need to do right now is simply go ahead to click on this button right here at the top left, the top right, I mean. Then you go ahead and click on the button like this. Once you just click on the button, it will load up immediately. Then the next thing you will see is you're going to be seeing this red packet right here. Okay, so what you got to do right now is to simply click on the red packet. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Binance on your phone. All right, so right here guys, this is where you need to input a certain code right here for you to be able to redeem it and claim over 2,500 BTTC token. All right, so what you got to do right now is simply go ahead and input the code right here. I'm gonna put one of the code right here, and I'm gonna be dropping the second code on our Telegram channel. So do well to check out our Telegram channel where you will get the second code. So right now I will input the first code right here. And right now I just input the code right now. So the next thing I need to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on this claim button right here. So I will click on claim button right now, and this should be opening up a new interface. So if you look up here, you can see that we have thanks for celebrating with us. So thank you very much, really appreciate that. So right now what you need to do next is simply go ahead and click on open right now, and once you click on open, this is going to load up and you are going to be given 5,000 BTCC coin. And this 5,000 BTCC coin right now is currently has a low value, but in the future this 5,000 BTC coin is going to get to about $1 probably. There's a possibility that this coin right here that we just claim right now is going to get to about $1, and when it gets to $1, this coin you just claim right now is going to worth about $2,500 for free. All right, so do well to make sure to claim this coin right now into your Binance account, as it is very easy and it is 100% free. You don't need to do anything to do this. So even if your account your Binance account is a new one, you can as well come over here and claim this right now, and you are going to be credited immediately, as you are going to be holding this coin for future use. All right, so when the coin the price of the coin appreciates very well, you will then sell the coin and use the money to do whatever you wish. All right, so this is simply the video for the day, and I believe you have gotten enough value out of this video. Please do well to subscribe and follow us right here on this channel, because on this channel we discuss nothing but how to make money for free in the crypto community or in the crypto space. We also expose you to a lot of airdrop opportunity, that airdrop that can worth more than $1,000 to $10,000 and above. We do expose it right here on this channel. All right, so do well to follow us, and also make sure to check out our Telegram channel to get the second code that you can use to claim even more BTTC coin into your Binance account. So thank you for watching the video till the end, and I believe you have gotten enough value out of this video. All right, so thank you, and I wish to see you guys on my next video that I'm going to be dropping very soon. Remember, the phase 3, phase 4, and up to phase 10 of this giveaway is coming. We are going to be celebrating this for 10 days. All right, so we are going to be dropping the next code tomorrow, and that's how it goes until we reach the 10th code. All right, so thank you for watching the video to this point again, and I wish to see you guys on my next videos that are going to be dropped very soon. Peace out, and of course enjoy the rest of the day.